Alright, Saturday, November 14. Time is 9:59 in the morning. Today is Wen's birthday, and let's just wait for him so we can give him his gift. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Happy birthday. The birthday boy.
Thank you.
With the new haircut.
Yeah, see?
Who are you and what have you done to Wen?
I am the younger version of Wen. Today is my 18th birthday, and you're all invited. Come and join us at our all-white yacht party in Yas Marina.
Happy birthday!
Wow! Thank you very much, guys. Thanks, George.
Welcome.
Thank you. So let's open it first.
Open.
Yes,
Open.
You have
Open.
to. The card to follow, ha?
Yeah, are we?
Because we're busy.
Because we're in a hurry. Another box! Oh my god! So while unboxing, we're just waiting in the yacht. So that's why I'll be in a hurry. Wow!
Are you surprised?
Wow.
I'm very much surprised. Full of love. Birthday, yes! I have shoes for today because I was planning to wear my old shoes.
Old shoes.
Now, since it's my birthday, I have new shoes! New pair of shoes. Ta-da! Match my outfit for today. Thank you very much, guys. Love them.
You have to give us a
Give us
a
a
barya.
coin
Give us a coin.
for good luck.
One for you.
Thank you very much.
Yep. And one for you. Thank you very much. Guys, I need to
Alright, let's go. We're late. Let's go.
Okay, thank you. Yeah! Ta-da, guys! So I'm wearing Ella's and George gift. So good.
So nice.
Yeah, it's so nice.
Okay, let's go. Tama na. We are on our way to Yas Marina for Wen's yacht party. It's now 10:29. Sorry, Leo, for being late. Buti na lang nandyan ka to receive everything. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sir Lay!
Birthday boy, are you ready to party?
Yes, I'm very much excited. It's a good day today.
It's a good day indeed.
Yes. So let's have fun.
We're
Sir Lay,
excited to see everyone.
you're the best. Love you.
Love you, Sir Lay!
In 400 meters, you'll arrive at Stars and Bars. Your destination will be on your left.
Alright, I got picked up by my good man here. What's your name, sir?
My name's Rangat.
Rangat. Thank you very much. He's taking me to our yacht. Alright. Here's our yacht. Thank you very much. Oh, boss. Kamusta?
Hello! Happy birthday, Wen!
Mamaya, dala ko yung drone. Okay, Ja, where are you and what are you doing now?
I'm glowing!
Ako si Leo. Dito ako. Thank you, ang aga mo. Buti na lang, nandito ka.
Ako nagbukas.
Kapampangan time kami. It's working. Turbo machine, yo.
Ha? Nahulog ang manok.
Let's get shit fish and a little nori. What's up? What's up?
Please! Kapachoy! Legit! Si Mela. Si George.
Joy D.
Hello!
Hello.
Happy birthday!
Ryan Plito! The COVID survivor. What's up, guys? How are you?
Well, I'm fine. So welcome to my vlog. Yeah, so actually we're here in Yas Marina Circuit. So as you can see, that's the Yas I'm not sure of, and those are my guests, okay? So subscribe now and click the bell button.
Right now, I'm in a yacht because one of our friends is going to have a party.
Hello.
Happy birthday, Ray! Good health and God bless and wish you more birthdays to come. Love you!
I wish you good health, more success, and hopefully love life.
Birthday wish, happy birthday, good health and success. Success!
Happy birthday, Wen! I wish you all the best, lalo sa career. We love you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to
Tatalon.
Babatuin daw ng ganito.
Paano yung ikot?
Ayan, pag ganyan.
City sa Pinas.
Dito sa Pinas, yung topic, okay.
Cebu.
Palit.
Pasig.
City yun!
Pasig.
Ay, Palit City kaya tawag doon.
Cherry! Cherry!
Ay! Strawberry.
Bye! Oh!
Game Master, next topic, next topic.
Brand ng cellphone.
Ayun na.
Brand ng cellphone. iPhone. One, two.
Samsung.
Yeah. Ikaw mang yeah. Go, fire. Kulay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Black.
Tortoise.
Violet.
Orange.
Fuchsia.
Cerulean.
Green.
Magenta.
Lavender. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ano kasi tawag doon?
Ang bobo. Stork. Phillips.
Ano yan?
Ano
Wala
Ang bobo. Brand ng sapatos.
1, 2. Balenciaga.
Suka. Reebok. Sapatos.
Reebok.
MSC.
Okay.
Sapatos.
Aldo.
Sa team ng NBA. 1. NBA. Lakers.
Miami Heat.
Chicago.
Indiana, Pacer.
Hindi ko alam yun. New York. 1.
San Francisco.
States, US. Natasha. Oh my God.
Kanina pa yung Natasha.
Friendship.
Pero say. Mambo. Start tayo kay George. Street sa Abu Dhabi. Oh my God.
Dalma.
Tama. Street sa
Khalifa Street.
Altar Heat.
Salams. Mohammed.
Andan. Ano mo agad?
General knowledge, anything under the sun, English, Tagalog, whatever.
Team 1.
Timer starts?
Team 1.
Starts now.
Tagalog. 2,
3, 4,
5
5
syllables.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5 syllables. Tagalog.
One word lang.
5 syllables.
Swimming.
Dagat.
Dagat. Beach.
Dalampasigan.
Let's go.
Two words. First word. Tagalog. Buka. Timer.
Let's go.
10, 9, 8, buka.
7, 6, 5. Hoy, sinabi lang ng ka-team namin. Narinig nito. Medyo.
Starts now. Okay.
English.
Sleep.
Sleep. Tulog.
Fever.
Fever.
Syllable. Leptospirosis. Kanin mo, Melabes. English. Second word. Tagalog. English. Video film. Into me. Film.
1 minute.
Inside film. You.
Heart. Suso. Boobs. Breast. Nipple. Milk. Sack.
Milk.
Suso.
Baby.
Big.
Breast.
45 seconds.
Sis.
Mamarin. What the fuck is going on?
Suso pili.
Organs.
Suso mo.
15 seconds. Score is 2-all.
Bangkok Island.
Sounds like
Penetration. 20
Countdown!
Lula.